Yeah! Hi everyone, Sam Reynolds here with Sea-Dog and Erik Fedko. We're here at the Audi Nines, presented by Falcon, for the GoPro Course Preview. We're here in Birkenfeld. We got 3 lines to try out this year. The freeride line, the Big Air, but we're going to start over here on the other side of the quarry for the all-new slopestyle line with a few interesting features. Sick, let's go. I'll follow you boys. Right behind you, Steve. Go! Woohoo! Oh yeah. Go! Woo! What do you think? Up to the Big Air? Let's do it. Oh yeah. That is Big Air! Okay, last but not least, freeride line. Let's get to the top. Let's go. Go! Woo! Yeah, buddy. That was sick. What a rad line. That was sick. There you have it. That was the GoPro Course Preview here at Audi Nines. Stay tuned for more this week. You.